Hey guys, welcome back to Dazzling Stars. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this bottle art. We have chosen tropical summer theme and this is the first video on our channel on bottle art. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notification. Without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. For making this, we need a sauce bottle, brush for painting, and acrylic colors. Now we are going to paint the bottle. Here I am taking yellow acrylic color and a flat brush for painting the bottle. Now I have painted one card. For the second card, I am using a sponge because it will give a smooth finishing. I am taking a palette and pouring yellow acrylic color and paint the bottle with sponge. And keep it aside to dry. Wow, it dried so well. I will show you. Look. After that, we have to draw something related to tropical theme. I am drawing a monstera leaf. I have drawn the pictures of watermelon, pineapple, flowers, flamingo and palm leaves. You can also draw as many tropical items as you like. First, I am going to paint the monstera. I am using sap green, light green, and yellow acrylic colors. Yellow is used to make the green somewhat lighter. In the middle of the monstera, I am painting green color. After that, we have to make an outline with sap green. Let it dry for 1 minute. Make sure that it does not dry too much. After that, we want to spread like this. Similarly, paint the other leaves also. For painting a watermelon, we need green, crimson red, white and black for seeds. To paint the pineapple, we need orange color and we are painting through the outline. Next, we are going to paint the flamingo. For that, I am mixing magenta with white to make light pink color. Now it's ready. We could reuse the finished sauce bottle like this. So don't ever throw away these bottles. That's all for today's video.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for notification.
We will be back with another exciting and useful video. Till then, stay tuned.